So we get this source inflammation, and in this diagram you have, let's say inflammation around a colon or that, a vessel, and that's our source. Those nociceptive neurons go in, dump into the cord, could create muscle guarding reflexes, autonomic changes, ... But what also happens when that source inflammation comes in to the DRG, dorsal root ganglia, and dorsal horn, it makes the body produce outward what's called retrograde, backwards, inflammation out to all the convergent other neurons that come into that segment. So for example, at any one segment, you would have, pain neurons coming in from muscle tissue, viscera, the nerve sheath, the sheaths of the vessels, even the skin. And if one of these sources, like the viscera in this case, dumps inflammation in, that inflammation goes back out to all these other areas to some extent. It's neurogenically produced. That is actually how we have the formation of surface tender points. So we have tender points, all over the body. And it turns out that for each deep fascial tissue that sends in one of those source inflammations, if you will, there is a very specific patch of skin that shows up as a convergent sensory representation of that deeper inflammation on the skin. So any of these going in are going to create a unique skin tender point.